मुस्लिम बाजार
Muslim Bazar.
What a great Urdu translation. मुस्लिम एक्सपो अगस्त 2nd, 3rd, 4th इंटरनेशनल सेंटर मिसिसागा में होने जा रहा है। और अगर आपने बाबा इरफान मलिक साहब की पोस्ट पे इनके स्पेशल कोड को इस्तेमाल किया तो मलिक साहब टिकट की प्राइस आप जो बोलेंगे वो होगी।
वही जो टिकट आम है सर, ज्यादा नहीं है टिकट,
बस कुछ कम करना आप जो बोलेंगे वो होगी।
मर्जी है सर, जो
ठीक है
आपकी मर्जी
जी।
है।
बाबा इरफान मलिक साहब जो कहेंगे वो टिकट आपको उस प्राइस पे मिलेगा।
और लेकिन ये मैं मुस्लिम बाजार का इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि आप तशरीफ लाएं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सपोर्ट करें ताकि वहाँ जो वेंडर्स आएँ उनको एहसास हो कि मुस्लिम फेस्ट में मुसलमानों में पैसे खर्च करने की जान है।
That is right.
चले अब फोटो ओवैस भाई, अहमद भाई, और सबसे पहले तो मैं बाबा जी का, बाबा जी जो है ना उनके सारे वाइदार वो इंजीनियर्स थे और माशाल्लाह चीफ इंजीनियर के तौर पे रिटायर हुए। तो आज सबसे पहले मैंने और ओवैस भाई ने और मतलब शफीक साहब ने ये डिसीजन किया कि बाबा जी को हम अपनी इंजीनियरिंग, पब्लिक इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर इंडक्ट करते हैं। तो लेट्स वेलकम इरफान बाबा जी टू आवर इंजीनियरिंग। अच्छा इसके बाद
क्या बात है। थैंक यू सो मच सर। Thank you so much for being here.
क्या जी बैठे ना?
नहीं बस सही बैठे। One of you, is Sunday ko you took the time and you came on actually not a short notice, 1 week notice, but you came, mashallah. Thank you so much for giving us your time this afternoon. Before we start this media briefing, and as I promised, we will be getting you out at 3:30. Uske baad 3:30 ke when we finish, there will be tea and snacks. So please make sure कि आपने वो क्या कहते हैं रोटी छोटी खा के जाइए। Do not leave before you eat something here, inshallah, because we don't know the next event you might go to, what would be the situation there. वो कहते हैं जो कबूतर हाथ में है, नकोली शेख साहब, वो जो हाथ में है वो उनसे बेहतर है कि जो झाड़ियों के पीछे है। Okay, so make sure you grab what we have. So let's get this going. Before we start talking about the Muslimi Expo, few community announcements. So yesterday, community honored one of our community member as honorary engineer title. और कुछ लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, कुछ ने नहीं देखा होगा. So I am talking about जनाब बाबा इरफान मलिक साहब.
Thank you, sir.
He's standing there. So now in order to call him as Baba Irfan Malik, he's now engineer Irfan Malik Sahab.
Thank you, sir.
And why is that happened? Because Irfan Malik Sahab's father, grandfather, and all the other hierarchy, many of them were engineers, and we thought, how come Irfan Malik Sahab is not an engineer? But then the question came, what kind of engineer? Junaid bhai? तो अब ये मसला था कि इनको shall we make him civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical, what sort of engineering? This would be a good one. But we came up with community engineer.
Oh, thank you.
Baba Irfan Malik Sahab जो है वो brother Buna, by the way, Irfan Malik Sahab is very well known in the community when it comes to bring people together, when it comes to get the word out. You will see this media briefing will be on Facebook for at least next 24 hours और money back guarantee. माशाल्लाह आप सब
Thank you very much.
बाबा इरफान मलिक साहब के लिए engineer.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And second, yesterday and this term came up. We are friends from Mela as well as
Villa.
friends
of Mela and Villa.
When we are Mela, we enjoy the hookah. When we are in full swing, we enjoy the Mela, which we're going to talk about in today's event. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. ये banners आप knows, nothing came out. Only few people knew that he went to Pakistan and he came back from Pakistan and I went to our by. आप बताइए, can you guess?
Junaid, Juni.
तो ऐसा शख्स पाकिस्तान गया और कोई तस्वीर नहीं लगाई।
गुमनाम।
वहाँ पे Naना Rose is not here.
Juni.
ना आप गेस कर सकते हैं हमारे भाई जुनैद रफीक जुनैद के लिए बहुत सारी तारीफ है वेलकम जुनैद बैक टू टाउन
Junaid, please stand up.
Junaid has a unique value from many perspectives. One unique value is that Junaid is the sole person who is not aware of Ridgeway Plaza. If you are not, please, door is there. You can leave. So Ridgeway Plaza pe Guna, all the shop owners are paying rent from $5,000 to $15,000. And I know a person who's not paying a single dollar rent but consuming the most space. That's the strategy. And that is Junaid Rafiq.
Wow. Junaid.
If you want to know, then you have to be at Ridgeway Plaza after 11 p.m. No kids allowed. So 11 to 2 a.m. you will find Junaid with his 3,000 square foot space with nice chairs and hookah and tea and other stuff I cannot mention. मतलब सब हलाल stuff. हमारे एक दोस्त he just came back. Yusha Saeed. Let's clap for Yusha. Yusha, raise your hand. Yusha is the very last minute, and we just wanted to make this a small little family event, and you are all part of my family. We are together in it, inshallah. The printing, when it comes for printing, who do we look up to? Who do we look up to? Z9, Zarausha. Alisha. Z9. Alisha, thank you so much, everybody, as always. I just simply call Shaki. This needs to happen. He will come and open his shop on Sunday or Saturday, and he will get things done. So Shaki, thank you so much, as always. So these were the few shout-outs I wanted to give. And on that, how we talk, how we learn, how we eat, and how we meet. So this is the whole idea behind calling it a Muslimi lifestyle expo. Now I know you may have questions. So this media community up here and those who are not able to make it today, your VVIP tickets are on Muslimi Expo. So please do not shy. If I am not able to communicate with you, I will inshallah. But you, your family, and your close friends are invited on behalf of Muslimi Expo. Come, yes. And you will be given the best of the best access possible at the Muslimi Expo, inshallah. Now, Sana is going to talk about a little bit about vendors and sponsorship, and then we will have Amin Davis, who Buna introduced. We will do a little bit more introduction, and he is not what just Buna explained, not just the Hollywood artist or Netflix artist, but he is also an amazing vocal singer. Would we want to hear something up from him?
Yes.
Before we do that, I will pass the mic over to the event manager, Sarah Zara, to give us an update on. Okay, so as I said, a few more names. I'm trying to accelerate as much as I can. We have Shams Rahman Saab sitting at the back from Tax, Promo, Shams Bhai. Thank you so much. You always help us in sponsoring.
United on the ground that is something productive, along with social media as well. I will remember that you are representing your culture. So when you're out there and you're meeting people and you're talking to people, that is the best representation of the culture that you possibly can.
Wonderful. Yes.
Very good.
Very good. Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Ji, up. Just go, please.
We talked about Muslim diversity.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
You can sit down.
Oh, thanks. That's fine. Assalamualaikum. I just wanted to say thank you for that intro from Ovais. I actually want to start by just saying that these expos, I'm sure you guys know, are not easy to put together. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of people that you don't know, you don't recognize, you don't see are working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring it to you. That's number one. Number two is that I grew up here in Toronto, in Canada. My parents came from back home, obviously, and one of the reasons why this expo is really important, and I'm very passionate about it, is because I feel like our children need to be exposed to more events like this. I feel like for some reason we grow up thinking that being Muslim and the culture that we come from are two separate things. We identify so differently, but this is an event that's aimed to bring those two things together. Like you can be Muslim and you can have culture and you can represent, be proud of who you are, and I think that's one of the really big things of this expo. That's why, like, through our vendors and through our food and through all the different things that we're going to be showcasing under this banner is the diversity and the multiculturalism. And we just feel like it's important for us to not only just show up, but bring our kids, bring our families, bring the youth, because that's our future. That's the future generation. My son is somewhere here. I don't know where he is, but I promise he's here somewhere. He's there right at the end. Okay. But it's important for us to involve our children into these things, and we are putting a big emphasis on the kids zone over here because we don't want you leaving them at home. We want you bringing them out to these events. Like I said, there's going to be food that's going to be for the kids. It's really family friendly. That's the whole goal of this, is that it's an event that we want you to come out with your families. Like I said, everyone worked tirelessly for this. Build partnerships. If you know people who want to be a vendor, who want to be part of a volunteer, who want to be part of the Expo, especially the youth, I encourage it a lot. We have on our website, if you just go to our website, you can either become a member or become a volunteer or a vendor. I would really suggest that you go ahead, and especially for your kids, get them to volunteer with us. It'll be a great opportunity, especially if they're in high school. We give out community hours and things like that. So the goal isn't just to put on a show. The goal is to involve the community at very different capacities. If you know somebody that wants to sponsor the event, get themselves out there, they want to promote themselves, we are looking to build partnerships that are just beyond surface, right? They're going to partner with us for the Expo, but we're going to build that relationship beyond the Expo, right? That's the goal of these Expos. It's not just to come, yes, the Mela, for sure, we're going to have lots of fun. But beyond that, it's to create networks and partnerships to help sustain businesses and to help sustain partnerships that go beyond this Expo. So that's definitely something that I just want to highlight over here. Reach out. Obviously, you have Ovais. I'm here. Bruna's here. Reach out to us for anything. If you guys want to be part of the Expo as well, we really